are all here.
This boat's soft.
That is a very pretty bow.
Let's open it.
All right.
That awesome trick.
Yeah, that was. That was pretty cool. Ooh. Ooh, I bet there's a lot of surprises in there.
That's one.
Whoa, what is that?
It's Rapunzel and its little pet.
Whoa, Animator's Collection Rapunzel. How cute.
She's so adorable.
She is.
Let's get another one out.
Ooh, can't wait to see what's next. Oh my goodness.
It has a little frog.
It has Pasquale, yeah.
I hate that baby one.
Oh, that's so cute. It's got frogs and a ducky. Little Kingdom Disney Princess. These are snap-ins. These are like brand new toys from Hasbro. How cool. Rapunzel's Floating Dreams.
I hate this pet.
You really do like Pasquale, don't you?
Actually, there's a little pets on them.
Wow, look at that. So here's Rapunzel. Look how cute she looks.
The cover says you can stick some stuff to it.
Oh yeah, the little holes?
Mhm.
They sure can. Look, you've got some frogs that you could stick to it, or you could stick them to Rapunzel. Here, let me see one of the frogs, and you put, yeah. Let's see
And
here.
the ducky.
Look, you got Froggy in her hair. Oh no, I've got a frog in my hair. Get it out, get it
Oh
out.
my gosh, get it off.
Get it off. Oh, thank you,
Let's
Cinderella.
pin you if you need it.
Oh, thanks. I don't know what I'll need a frog for in my boat, but...
Hey, Froggy's want ducky with you?
Oh yes, a ducky would be great.
Oh, cool, it falls.
Yeah, that's really awesome.
I think the whistle wants to go inside there.
I think Pasquale wants to jump in the water. So it kind of floats. It's not exactly straight or anything, but you could have fun with this in the bathtub, huh?
Watch this. I think he's going to jump.
I think he's gonna jump. Oh, he's in the water. Swimming along.
Pencil.
Yes.
Look at me, I'm swimming.
Oh my goodness, you are. Come on, Pasquale. Let's get out of here.
I hate this one.
Whoa. Okay. Ooh, my boat is. Oh, okay. Whoa. Oh, it's sinking. Help. I don't know how to swim. Oh my goodness. Just kidding. I know how to swim. Oh, well, this is so much fun. Oh, let me get rid of the boat. I think I'm going to have a little swim in here. Okay, cannonball. Oh, wow.
There's froggies inside.
It's a little shallow.
I found Tinkerbell.
Tinkerbell?
It's a little pet.
Oh, she has a little alligator with her, it looks like.
I saw it on a TV show.
Yeah, you
And
did.
a crocodile.
Yeah, the crocodile. Tinkerbell. She looks adorable. You found Ariel.
This flounder and her little puppy.
Yeah, Flounder and Max. Ariel Mini Castle playset.
Don't forget him.
Oh yeah, Sebastian. Wow.
Ariel with that prince.
Yep, Prince Eric. You excited, huh? Wow! What is that? Oh, it's a singing Cinderella.
Yes! Even has a little dress.
How cute! It's got her pink dress that she makes herself. Well, the animals help make it, actually. You're Cinderella today, aren't you?
Mm-hmm. Yeah. What? I'm outside.
How'd you do that?
I don't know. I think the wall's magic.
Oh my gosh, a magical wall? What'd you find?
There! There's an eyeball on it.
Eyeball.
Look!
What is that?
Don't
Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. It's a creepy monster.
Come here if you can get me.
Monster facing attack you. Oh my goodness, another Rapunzel playset. Yeah, Pasquale is so cute. That's her horse. Maximus, I think. Get another one? Alright.
It's Jasmine!
It's Jasmine?
It's a tiger!
Oh, she's got her tiger, Raja.
I like that tiger when she sings that.
Yeah.
Do you remember I got the tiger for Christmas?
Oh, that's right, you did. You got a singing Jasmine, right?
So it's sitting down and this one's laying down.
Yeah, how cool. And it comes with a genie too and Aladdin. Awesome. Jasmine mini castle playset.
Points too.
Yeah, of course, that's Aladdin.
Here's Jasmine and Miriam said.
Yeah, look at them. They come with all kinds of
I
stuff.
like the title of this.
That is really cool. He grants them wishes, doesn't he?
Yeah.
It's pretty cool. Do you wish you had a genie that would grant you wishes?
Yeah.
What would you wish for?
I wish if this lion come true and big so I could ride on it.
So you can ride Raja. Oh, somebody's here for me.
Hello.
Ooh, how exciting. Oh, it's Jasmine. Hey, Jasmine.
This is my little pet.
I see you brought Raja. Eric's asleep. I guess he was listening to Sebastian singing for so long. He just kind of passed out. I think Sebastian's passed out too.
Hello.
And this is, hey, Max, why don't you go say hi? Oh, yeah, probably not a good idea. Oh boy, this is turning terrible. Oh.
Watch it, stop. Sit.
Ooh, wow, you've got him trained so well. Ariel, it's an emergency in the sea. We have to go. Ooh, a tiger, come on, we've got to go, Ariel. Throw those flippers back on her. I'm out of here. Woo. Oh dear, I'm coming, Flounder. Let's swim away into the sea on a magic ride. A whole new world.
That's my sound.
Oh yeah, sorry. I forget my own song.
You don't forget food. These are really cool, Daddy.
Yeah, they are.
I like them kids that could do this. Then you can put all the magical stuff inside.
That's true, so.
And go to your friend's house.
Yeah, I don't think we can fit the genie in there. Oh well. Too bad he couldn't go back in his lamp, then you could take him with you. It'd be a small lamp.
Yep.
Whoa. Must be a big one. Oh my gosh, it's you!
It is me!
How cute!
That was me and Dad's prince.
Yeah, it's Cinderella and the Prince film collection. Wow.
Wow!
That's so cool. You look just like her.
Yeah, I have the airlines, I have the trash.
Yep.
Butterflies,
Whoa. Just like Cinderella. Awesome.
magic, get God.
What kind of a joke is that? That's it. I'm getting you.
Hey, wait! I have a surprise for you!
You do?
Yes! Red magic trick!
Oh, awesome. Can I see it?
Magic, make the bus thank you!
Hey, that's not a magic trick. What did you find? Oh my gosh. Whoa. Yeah, look at that. Cinderella dream come true bedroom. Oh my goodness. That's her bedroom. That's cool.
And if I could grant you one more wish, what would it be?
A really good one.
Yes, be careful what you wish for.
My last wish would be bouncy
Bouncy.
and cuddly.
Okay, what is it?
It's a bed.
A bed?
A cloudy bed.
A soft, bouncy, fluffy type of bed?
Yep.
Okay, your wish is granted. Boosh.
This is what I wishing for, new bed. Somebody sleeping inside.
Oh, well, you don't always get exactly what you wish for. Doo-doo.
What?
Na 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 na. La na na na.
The bed's so nice it comes with her even.
Yeah, it didn't come with her. That was a different toy, but she came with this dress. Yeah, we've got the other Cinderella. She's ready for the ball already.
Hello.
Oh my gosh, it's like seeing a twin. I'm gonna go sleep now. I must be dreaming.
That's my bed.
Oh, well, I'm using it for now. Thank you.
Bye-bye.
So this Cinderella sings,
Because
and she comes with another dress and little tiny characters that help her.
oh my gosh. Is
Yeah.
that in her tummy?
In her tummy? Uh-oh. What is that? Hey, leave that alone. That's my secret fashion. So I get my dress to puff out. I pack it with paper towels. Hey, give me that back. Oh my gosh, you're the other Cinderella. We've got 3 Cinderellas. 1, 2, 3. We gotta wake her up. Cinderella, you need to get up.
Why?
The ball is about to start. I am your future self.
Ding, ding, ding.
For now, you
Oh my
need
gosh!
to get up.
Oh my gosh! It comes out I don't know. Wait, I don't have a dress though.
Yes, you do. Your cute little animals have made you one. Now get dressed.
Okay. I need my mirror. Ta-da! How do I look?
Oh, wow. You look amazing.
Do I? Wow! This is so cool. Yeah, that's something. Oh my gosh! It's 10:30.
Oh no, we'll almost miss the ball. Let's go.
I got my spray on foot.
Oh, yeah, want to make sure you smell good before you see the prince. Okay, let's go, sister. Oh, wow, your bed, it's like a coach. Maybe we can ride this to the ball.
There's the animals here.
Oh, they can come with us. Let's go.
My stool! Let me go to my stool!
How cool. So Anna of Arendelle and Kristoff recreate the love and adventure of Frozen.
I'm going to go and pick up Anna and Kristoff. Hi, Anna and Kristoff.
Hey Cinderella, what you doing?
I was thinking if you could come to the ball with me.
Awesome, girls' night out. Okay, Cinderella, let's roll.
Are they really leaving me? Anna! Hey, whoa. Hey, Cinderella, what are you taking Anna for?
We're going to the ball. Here's the ball.
Well, why are you leaving me if you're going to the ball?
Oopsie daisy. I didn't know she had to do it, huh?
Sorry, Kristoff, I totally forgot. Wait, guys, I want to go too.
Let's go!
Wait, oh. Cinderella,
Sorry.
you left me.
Watch this. I can climb up the slide.
Oh my goodness,
I'll stick to it.
you're so crazy. That's what you get for not waiting for me. Okay, my turn. Whee! Oh, Cinderella, you're out of the way.
Yay!
Okay, Kristoff, let's go together.
Here we go!
Sorry.
Whee! Whee!
Watch this, guys. I can go so fast, fly past my eyes.
Let's see it.
Look, Kristoff, look how high I'm going.
Wow!
Are you okay?
Kristoff, what were you thinking going that fast? You shot us right off the swing.
Oh, sorry, honey. But it was fun.
I'm swinging high, Anna.
You're doing great.
Woo! I'm going to catch.
Another surprise toy. Wonder what it'll be this time. So many.
Fairy godmother.
Oh, the fairy godmother. Wow, that's beautiful. Look at that fairy godmother film collection. She helps you out, doesn't she?
Cinderella.
Yeah, she does. She's a great fairy godmother. So many surprise toys today. Oh my goodness.
Oh my gosh, this is me.
Oh, you are popular today, Cinderella. Wow, how pretty.
Cinderella.
Well, hello there, other Cinderella.
Go on.
Wow.
It's Merida.
Oh my goodness. Merida, and she's got her horse with her.
I want to play.
You like it?